Hello and welcome. Do you ever feel like your mind is a crowded street with thoughts and worries rushing past like honking cars? We live in an era where noise isn't just on the streets. It's on our screens, in our notifications, and in the constant flood of information. This noise echoes within us, pulling our attention in a million different directions: news, social media, comparisons, and the relentless pace of modern life. In this digital storm, inner peace is no longer a luxury. It's a vital life skill. It's the anchor that keeps us steady and whole. Think about your typical day. From the moment you wake up, your mind is bombarded. Notifications from your phone, a stream of messages and emails, endless social media feeds, videos, news, and heated debates. You're constantly seeing images that spark comparison and anxiety. Over time, our minds are trained to just react, not to reflect. This constant digital noise has real consequences. It leads to a lack of focus, a feeling of restless anxiety, and disturbed sleep. You might find yourself more irritable, disconnected from the present moment, and losing a sense of depth and clarity in your thoughts. When your mind is scattered, your inner strength fades, and that feeling of peace quietly slips away. Many people think that to find peace, they need to escape the noise completely. But in our tech-driven world, a true escape is almost impossible. The good news is, real peace isn't about finding external silence. It's about cultivating an inner strength that allows you to stand firm amidst the noise without your mind being shaken. Imagine a clear lake, its surface undisturbed even when the wind blows, or a mountain, standing tall and unmoved as clouds drift by. Think of a lamp that continues to shine brightly through the darkest night. This is the kind of peace we can cultivate within ourselves. We don't need to search for it somewhere else. It's already here, resting gently within each breath we take. So, how do we access this inner peace? Let's explore 5 simple yet powerful practices you can start today. First, return to your breath. The breath is the anchor of the mind. Whenever you feel unsettled or overwhelmed, just pause. Take a moment to simply breathe. Feel the sensation of the air entering your body and then leaving it. Breathing in, know that you are breathing in. Breathing out, know that you are breathing out. You don't need a long meditation session. Just 3 mindful breaths are often enough to bring your mind back to a state of calm. Second, consciously reduce your informational noise. This means being selective about what you consume. Less breaking news, fewer online arguments, and less mindless scrolling through social media. You'll find that with less information overload, you actually gain more wisdom and clarity. It's not about being uninformed, but about being intentional. Third, create daily periods of digital silence. Dedicate just 15 to 20 minutes each day to be completely without your devices. This isn't about rejecting technology. It's about reconnecting with yourself. Use this time to read a book, take a walk, or simply sit and be with your own thoughts. It's a small change that can have a huge impact on your mental well-being. Fourth, maintain a peaceful physical space. Your environment affects your mind. Create a small corner in your home that feels calm and restorative. It could be a comfortable chair, a soft light, or a pleasant scent. Think of your space as the soil and your mind as the seed. With good soil, the seed of peace will naturally begin to sprout. And fifth, choose relationships that uplift your heart. Surround yourself with people who are calm, wise, and mindful. Their presence is like a nourishing energy that can help soothe your own mind. On the other hand, the energy of restless or anxious people can easily pull you into their turbulence. Choose your company wisely. When you start practicing these things, you'll notice a profound shift. A quiet mind is a clear mind. Only when the noise subsides can we truly see. We can distinguish which emotions are genuine and which are just reactions to external triggers. We can understand which desires come from deep within our hearts and which are just echoes of societal pressure. This inner peace is the foundation of wisdom and freedom. It helps you make clear decisions, recognize what's essential and what's just excess, and focus deeply on what truly matters. You become more present, more wholehearted, and less controlled by the technology that was designed to serve you, not rule you. In many ways, cultivating inner peace is the greatest act of freedom in our digital age. We can't make the world any less noisy, but we absolutely can make our own minds less chaotic. Amid the endless scroll of social media, the demands of technology, and the hurry of modern life, peace is the most precious gift we can give ourselves. It all starts with a single, simple step. When your breath is peaceful, your mind becomes peaceful. And when your mind is peaceful, your life naturally begins to blossom. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope these ideas inspire you to find your own quiet space in this noisy world. If you found this helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing for more content on living a more mindful and peaceful life. Take care and be well.